So we have a leak somewhere, and I just took that little tin, this guy, I just took this off of here. Now there's oil here, but it's not from there, you see? It's just nice, and I mean it is super clean in here. So it's not, see? Nothing. There's no oil in there. So it's not I was worried about the rear seal, but it looks great. Now let me see if we can I did replace that gasket. That gasket was leaking, but there's some oil coming from somewhere up there, and I don't know exactly where it is yet. Now I see oil here. I see that drip right there? Yeah. So let me see. See if I can see anything. See, you can see oil coming from somewhere up there, but thank God it's not the seal. Now I was thinking that it's possibly the gasket here. And you see that oil there from somewhere? There's a spark plug right there. Is that thing coming from the head? Looks like it's coming from the head. Sure does, doesn't it? I mean, there's some wetness there. That's the head. That's a block. Looks like it's seeping out of somewhere over here. Can't really. See that? It's coming from up there. See that drip over there? Yeah. Yeah. It's coming from up there. What? I wish I could point this camera. I want to see if I can. What the hell's under there? See that little drip right there? Look. What is that? That's the oil pan. That leak is from the oil pan corner. And I've heard that you're supposed to put some silicone on that. That's where the leak is coming from, right there. Yeah, see? It comes from right there, and it drips this way. Now inside, there's even rust in there. So that's why, see, it's coming from there, from that corner of the oil pan. Right there. So that thing, and they say to put some silicone. Yeah, that's where it is, right there. Here's a drop over here, right there. And it comes this way. So it drips, comes down, and then it hits over here. So that's why you see some oil there. It just comes straight down over here. So that's where the leak is, right there. The oil pan corner.